Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make turmeric tea, which is definitely the best for the weight loss just in 7 days. To make, we don't need the more ingredients, just the basic ingredients that are easily available at our home. To make this tea, first we need to boil water for a while, and we have to take the natural turmeric which is easily available in the market. We have to crush it and just add into the water. Definitely it will the best ingredient for the anti-inflammatory and antioxidant property, which lowers the fat, sugar and speed metabolism. And then we have to take ginger, which will definitely burn the stored body fat and help in the weight reduction. We have to take cinnamon seeds, which is rich in fiber and add flavor in our tea. Just allow it to boil for a while and speed up the flame so that it will easily boil. And after that we have to just stir it properly so that each and every ingredient will mix properly. And then at the last we have to add the lemon juice. It will contain trace amount of pectin that help to reduce appetite and calorie intake. Turn off the flame